Good morning and welcome to another cycling vlog. Today, it's the last working day of the year for me, 23rd of December. I'm super excited about that. I'm really looking forward to a break. Getting in a ride a bit earlier than usual today. So I'm meeting the guys at 6 a.m. in 25 minutes at Southo. I just haven't been riding early lately, especially when I'm working from home. Been heading out the door 6:30, 7 a.m, getting back before 9. Life's good. Bit extra sleep. Yeah. Anyway, we gotta get to it. Before we go, I just thought I'd mention, I've been sort of planning out my days before going and doing exercise in the mornings. So like time blocking all the different things I have to do today, the important things at least, writing down the priorities and a bit of a to-do list underneath that. Been doing it for a while now, filled up a couple books, and time blocking for the day has really helped me. So would recommend if you're someone that deals with overwhelm and not being able to organize thoughts really well. You clean your white cycling shoes, like clean them good, you know, so they're brand spanking new again, if that's even possible, you know.
Work.
Oh, yeah.
You know, you gotta go into work.
Well, yes, you gotta turn up.
I refuse to believe that's a thing anymore.
Like you've been.
Where's Paddy?
Yeah, really regretting
Paddy's not coming. There's no way Paddy's coming.
What's in the sandwich? Cute.
These ones espresso and nice and bold.
He probably gets him through pretty quick. But that makes it But yeah, factor one's on the cards. I'd be curious to know what the lead time is. Like it's a 20% deposit to get key stored.
Wait, how much is the Factor one?
It's got 6.5 for the frame.
For the frame? Oh yeah.
Gold Tiger is like 17, or Shram. What's better, Red or of course.
I mean, if you go on a premium build, don't you just automatically put red on it?
20 grand.
20 grand. You would look good on a Factor 1 Pete.
I would, wouldn't I? Yeah.
It would really one up my videos as well if I had someone with a
had one, yeah.
Factor 1 in there, you know?
Yeah. I'll keep that in mind.
Yeah, please.
Could I get on more of the videos if
Of
I
course,
had a Factor
you
1?
could be on every single one. I'd have to start paying you
Sweet.
to get onto my videos.
Train less and still be on TV.
On that note, catch a Pete. Work is now officially done for 2025. The out of office email is on and we are straight over to video editing. I've dumped the footage onto the timeline and I've noticed with a lot of the POV chest mounted shots, all we're seeing is the handlebars and none of the actual scenery above. And that's because of my chest mount. Basically this Osmo Nano, a work call. So essentially, I've been running the chest mount with the Osmo Nano, and usually it sits like that. But when I'm on the bars, I'm angled down, so then naturally the camera points down. But they've got this like hat mount, and you can attach the hat mount. It's got a little clippy thing here, and then put it on the chest mount, and then angle it. So then when I lean over, the mount angles the camera further up, and I can solve that little problem. Plus, when I give the camera to other people while I'm riding, it can be, they've got something to grab onto because it's really awkward handling this tiny little camera like so. Like a lot of the times your finger goes over the top of the lens and it's kind of in a lot of the shots. So I think that is a neat little fix. Being a triathlete now means 2 training sessions most days, so about to go for a 45-minute run, which I kind of like. I really enjoy running. If it wasn't for the shin splints, I think I'd enjoy it more and do more of it. But yeah, then this evening, I would say it's going to be a relaxing one, but it's not. We're leaving for Malaysia tomorrow, so I've got to pack. Otherwise, tomorrow's going to be way too hectic and I'm not going to have time for a ride in the morning. And I really want to ride in the morning because the guys are riding south. The riding in Sydney this time of year, during like the holiday period, it's some of my favorite riding of all time. Vibes are high, it's summer, it sucks I'm going to miss out on a week and a bit of it this year. I was also thinking, let me know what videos you enjoyed that I made this year. Maybe I can make something similar in 2026. With that, stay safe over the holidays. I'll probably see you next year. Thanks for just being here. It's such a big deal that people watch my videos. It's so cool. Catch you guys.